So this is it. Isn't this beautiful? So what we have to do now is to make some changes to this slider so that it can be moving automatically, sliding automatically. So we'll go back. So follow me carefully. You see, automatically circle the slide. So you choose your interval in seconds. If you want to add more slide, you can add more. But for now, we just play with that. To edit the testimonials, you come here, click on edit. Automatically circle testimonials. See here, so that it can be moving automatically. The carousel manner. So what you want to write: testimony, the name of the testifier and the job of the person, a little description about the person. So you can remove testimonial. If you just want to use only one, you can do. If you want to add more, you can add. And whenever you are done with any edit, you always click update. So that being said, let's go back again. Let's take a look at the About Us page. So if you check the About Us page, you see some write-ups and some images about the founders, the board members and the rest. So you don't really need all these things. If you want to add images, that is fine, but I just want to show you this so that you know how to edit all other pages. Just go to this About page. Go to About page. You can go to your pages, all pages, then About. You click on Edit. You can also open it directly and click on Edit page. So I just quickly want to. So all these long things, all these things, I don't need them. You know how to delete your own. These images here, visuals, this image, I don't need it. I just delete it. Then I edit the row and I turn it to 1. And this text, you can read through to see what you need, or you can, if you have your own content, you can put your own content. But I'm going to use the default content for the sake of this tutorial. I will click on update. So let me view it. See, I think this one is more preferable. So you can go and update your links. Don't forget, on the home page you have your slider, you have the About Us that link to another thing entirely. You have the track shipment that links to another thing. So you go to your home page. This is my home page. So the one that has About Us, you don't paste the link on top. What you have to do, you simply highlight to this place and delete once, or you can be deleting like this if that is what you want, but you have to be very careful. So when you get to this place, you paste your link. So you paste your link, you update. Okay, I think this was not the one I worked on. This was the one I worked on before. Let me leave the page and come back. Okay. Home page. So I can come to the About Us and paste my About Us link. No, not like that. don't do it like this. No, if you do it like that, it will not work. Just clear everything out, then paste your link here. So that is it. So you might be wondering how you're going to change this image, this blurring image. Like I said before, you go to pages, all pages, then you will see the pages. You select the pages like cargo, or so let me just use this one as an example. This is how this is. So I can just say edit page. I don't need all those images. I just delete, edit into one row. Okay. Then I will come to feature image. These are the images you are seeing at the front. So select image. Select image. So I can choose to pick from my media library or upload new one. Let me just search for a random image and upload, say cargo. Let me use this. Okay, let me view. You go to home page and refresh. See how beautiful it is. So that is how you change your images. Sorry, let me just see if I can change everything. Save. Edit page. Remove feature image and save feature image. Let me look for the story. Okay, set feature image. Update. Logistics service. So let me just, you already know how to do that, know how to set that. So I'll just close this and close this. Okay, so the same way you work on your contact page. Now for the tracking to be active on this website, because all we have done is to design a logistic website, a website that is so fine and beautiful. So we need the functionality, the main thing that makes this website a special website, which is that makes it to be a courier or logistic website. That is the ability to track parcels, to track packages. So we need a plugin for that, and you know how to install a plugin. You go to your dashboard, plugins, then add new. The name of that plugin is what we called WP Cargo. Okay, WP Cargo track and trace. Okay, So what we have to do now is to go to pages, all pages. Let's look for track. You see track. This one is the page that's been created by the plugin that we just installed. So we can open in a new tab. At the same time, we'll go to appearance menu to add it to the menu. So let's quickly edit the menu. I want to remove the shop, the news from it. So let us see this too. Okay, this is the menu. I want to remove shop and the news from it. Then the set I want to add new. I want to add a new item to the menu. So I can say pages most recent, or view, or I can even search for it. I can use custom links, track. So this track, I'm going to change this name to track shipment. I'm going to change to track shipment. Okay, I just put it track shipment. I think shipment is 1K. Then you save it. I will select another menu called the top menu. So that top menu now, I want to add to this is the top menu, this place that have these extras. So I want to remove this extra, add other menus there. So I'm removing extra. I'm adding the track and home page. Search for home. So I'm adding home. Recent track shipment. So let's refresh. See that home and the track shipment has been added. Even on the footer, the navigation, home, track shipment. Then these are services. I'll do justice to that. So this is how you create a tracking website. The page we open. So we open this page. It's our tracking page. This is the tracking code in case you want to embed it on another page or a home page or anywhere. So I think I just want to align this to the center. Then I want to remove. Put it to no sidebar. Okay. Update. Let's check our tracking page in the new tab. See, track form has been placed on the tracking page. So this is basically how you create a logistics website using WordPress. I'm calling logistics or courier website using WordPress. So done with this. We don't need this. Don't need this. Don't forget to work on your contact page, but I will not be working on that one now. So I have a full video that teaches you how to use this website. If you don't know how to use it, I'm just going to throw some light on it, but I might not go in depth on how to use it. I've already showed you how to create it from scratch. So how to use it to create the trackings, to create packages. I'm just going to do a little run over. You have to pay full attention, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like the video. So first of all, if you check your dashboard now, let me hide all these things, I don't need them. You should see two things have been added: shipment and WP cargo. This WP cargo, this is where you make settings to the shipment. This is where you edit all your settings. Let's quickly run over it. Let's go to general setting. Let me open it in a new tab. So you can add shipment, more shipment location, but I think all the whole countries are already there. All the countries are already there. So shipment, the carrier is DHL, FedEx, USPS, anyone. If you want to add the site, you can add it. Let me just add this first, courier. Then payment mode, I can say bank deposit or online payment. Bank deposit or bank payment. Let's say bank payment. So I just pending, transit, en route, cancel. You can add more things if you want to add. Then you can paste the link to the logo here, to the site logo, or upload it directly. Then you can make it to display barcode. Then select the tracking page, just put it on track. Then the font family, I'm not choosing, I'll just leave it at default so that I can use the website font family. Then font size, you can set it to any size of your choice. I think I'll just leave it at 11. Enable restrict duplicate shipment number so that the site will not create the same tracking code for two customers at a time. Then automatically generate shipment number. If you want the site to automatically generate tracking code, you can give it. If you don't want it, you can disable it so that you'll be generating tracking code by yourself. But here you can just set some prefix and suffix. I always like to use the name of the website I'm using, but in this tutorial I'm going to use say SP then C. Sorry, I'm going to put that here. C. Then plus 12, everything 15. Base color, I normally like to select the color of my website, but I will leave that one for now. That's specification. So we just leave this, and disable this, then save. There are a lot of things you can do here. You can come to map setting. So you can enable shipment history map. So you have to connect your map API. Go to Google and get your map API too. You can even click on get API to add map to your website. So that is it. Then to create shipment, you just come to shipment. You can click on all shipment or add shipment. Let me just click on add shipment. then it automatically create a tracking code for me. Just copy this. Come to screen option. I want to hide some things that I don't need. Assign to, I don't need it. Tags, I don't need it. Category, feature image, but you can choose to upload feature image, but I don't need it. Then author, I don't need it. Main details, shipment history and package details. This is what I need. Details, shipment history and packages. So we can just quickly let us do something. I'm just feeling random things here. That's really random things here. As you see, I'm just using random things, but these are usually then. This is the shipment details. The weight, whatever. Let me just put the courier. Let me say DHS, for example, DHS mode. Let's say F byte quantity. Let me just say 1 total. This is where you put the amount. Maybe let's say total amount is $10 or $20 or $30. Let me just say $100 for example. Reference number, you can put any reference number you want. This one is your work is to create the site, then show the logistics company how to use the site, show the admin how to use the site. So I say bank payment, carrier, I say this. Departure time, you can select the time, destination, let's say going to Australia, pick up date, origin, where is it coming from? Let's say it's coming from Argentina going to Australia. Just normal thing, you just pick up time, special delivery date. You can just put your comments, then remark. Is it pending pickup, out for delivery, which location is now? Let me just say, I'm just using random things. So after that, you click on publish. So that's the publish. Let me come to our shipment. You see that one is active. So let's go to the website and track the shipment. Let's see if what we did is working. So just paste the tracking code. Let's see track results. And voila! See everything, the barcode with the tracking number, the shipper information, the receiver information, then shipment status, out for delivery, then shipment information. See everything, the shipment history, where it is, as for delivery was dated by me, remark anything. If I should go back, let me click on edit and maybe add another one. Okay, it's now on hold. Which location? Let me say Argentina, for example. No, if that is correct. Say Argentina, remark, hold, update. You see, if anytime the shipment detail is updated, once the customer comes to track the shipment, we will see the different things that will be updated. At first it was Mogos, out for delivering, then it's now in Argentina on hold and everything. If you embed map, you embed your API, the map will be showing here. So this is basically how to create a tracking website. And don't forget, this button still have the default the default link. So I'll just go back to customize. I will look for that button, header, text. So I will just delete this and paste it, paste that one there. So done. So publish. So that is how to create a logistics website. Hope you enjoyed this training. Don't forget to change your logo and edit other pages. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Click on the like button and also click on the notification icon so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to get it.